dedication. Diecast teaches us about patience, perseverance and appreciation for detail. Collecting diecast.